CyberGhost operates over 11,690 servers spread across 100 countries. To give you some context, NordVPN has around 8,000 and Surfshark sits at roughly 3,200. So CyberGhost network is one of the largest we've seen from any provider, and that kind of coverage matters when you need fast, stable connections no matter where you are in the world. And quick disclosure before we continue, our parent company is part of the same ownership group as CyberGhost. That said, we're covering it here because its streaming setup is genuinely one of the more user-friendly systems that we've tested, especially for people who don't want to manually hunt for working servers. But the server count alone isn't what makes this interesting. What makes CyberGhost stand out for streaming is how they've organized the whole experience. Inside the app, there's a dedicated For Streaming tab, and instead of dumping you into a list of 100 countries and wishing you luck, CyberGhost labels each server by the platform it's optimized for. You'll see Netflix US, BBC iPlayer UK, Hulu, Disney Plus US, Peacock, over 100 specialty servers spread across 22 countries, each one tuned to unblock a specific service. It's as simple as picking the label that matches what you want to watch, connect to it, and you're in. They also offer a Smart DNS feature, which lets you stream on devices that don't natively support VPN apps like smart TVs and gaming consoles. So your Apple TV, your PlayStation, your Fire Stick, they're all covered and protected. CyberGhost team also actively monitors and updates their servers to make sure platforms don't block them, and in our testing, we were able to safely access over 30 major streaming services globally, and that kind of reliability is hard to find at this price point. All of that being said, CyberGhost does have some real limitations you should know about before you buy. First, simultaneous connections. CyberGhost caps you at 7 devices per subscription, and that's perfectly fine for most individuals, but if you're trying to cover an entire household, then it's worth knowing that competitors like Surfshark offer unlimited connections on a single plan. So if you have a family of 4 and everyone's running a phone and a laptop, then those 7 slots will fill up pretty fast. Second, split tunneling is inconsistent across platforms. On Android, the split tunneling feature works well and gives you proper app level control. On Windows, it's limited to website level exceptions through a Smart Rules tab. Functional, yes, but not as granular. And on macOS, split tunneling is essentially absent. Third, restrictive countries. CyberGhost doesn't have advanced obfuscation, which means if you're trying to use a VPN in places like China or Russia, then this isn't the tool for that job. The VPN lacks the ability to disguise its traffic as regular browsing, and their own support team confirms that connections in those regions aren't guaranteed. These aren't deal breakers for most people, but they're important to flag so that you're making an informed decision for your situation. All right, let's put a number on everything we've just covered. This is where CyberGhost makes its strongest case. If you go with the 2-year plan, CyberGhost comes in at roughly $2.19 a month, and they typically throw in a couple of bonus months as well. That puts your total around $56.94 for over 2 years of full VPN coverage. And when you factor in its 11,000 plus servers, dedicated streaming profiles, no spy privacy, and Smart Rules automation, at that price point, CyberGhost is difficult to beat. And then there's the refund policy. Most VPNs give you 30 days to test the product and ask for your money back. CyberGhost gives you 45 days. That's an extra 2 full weeks to stress test every feature, try every server, stream everything you want, and still walk away with a full refund if you don't like it. And simply put, a company that's uncertain about its product or service doesn't offer that kind of refund window. So to lock in the cheapest promotional pricing and claim your 45-day money-back guarantee, then use the exclusive link down in the description below. That link gets you the best available rate and helps support this channel at the same time, which we really appreciate. And if you want to see how CyberGhost stacks up against the fastest VPN on the market, then click right here to watch our CyberGhost versus ExpressVPN showdown. Don't forget to drop a comment and let us know how you use your VPN. Your setup might just inspire a future video. But as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.